that is 3 minus j12. I have formed the y bus, and then we have taken the step values, that is bus values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are given all the data and given. Okay. Next we have to do the we have to find out the voltages. Here no PV buses are there, so we don't have to find out the Q values, and Q constraints are also not given. This consists of only PQ buses, so we have to find out the voltage V. First bus 1. For bus 1 is a slack bus. We don't have to find out any of the data because it is given V is equal to 1.06 and delta is equal to 0. So this is the values given. So next we have to find it out for bus 2. So for bus 2 we have to find it out what is P2. P2 is equal to P2 generated minus P2 load, that is equal to P2 generated is 0 minus 0.5 is equal to minus 0.5 per unit. So I have found out P2. Next I have to find out Q2 also. Q2 is equal to Q2 generated minus Q2 load. So that is equal to 0 minus 0.2 is equal to minus 0.2 per unit. So I have taken P2 and Q2. We have calculated P2 and Q2 for the bus. Next we have to find out the voltage value. So since in the first case voltage is not given, so what we will do, we will assume it as V plus V is 1 plus J0. So initial value, since the value is not given, we will take it as 1 plus J0. So we have to find out for the first iteration. We are starting with our first iteration. K is equal to 1. First iteration we are going to do it. So I am writing that equation Vi of kth iteration is equal to 1 by Yii into Pi minus JQi divided by Vi conjugate of K minus 1 iteration. Here it is, if the iteration is K, here we have to take it K minus 1th value minus sigma I is, here we have taken I, so I am taking N is equal to 1 to I minus 1 Yin Vn minus sigma N is equal to I plus 1 to capital N In Vn. So this will be equation, and this value will be, we are taking for the kth iteration, and this value will be for the K minus 1th iteration. Here this is a constant, admittance will be a constant, Pi, Qi all values are there. So this is the equation we are going to solve. So I am writing this equation for our second bus. So I am writing my equation as, first I have to write I is equal to 2, because here I is equal to 2, bus number is equal to 2 and K is equal to 1. So P2 of first iteration is equal to 1 by Y22 into P2 minus JQ2 divided by V2 conjugate. That is our first value I have got, minus, here I is equal to 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. No need of the sigma. So I is 2. 2, 1, V1, and the iteration value will be first iteration. Anyway, this is slack bus, so no need of changing the voltage value. Minus sigma N is equal to I is 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 2. Total number of buses, it is 4. 3 to 4, Y 2N, Y2N, Vn. This will be of 0th iteration value. I have to take it. Then that is equal to 1 by Y22 into P2 minus JQ2 by V2 conjugate of 0 minus Y21 V1 minus Y23 find out, or I have to substitute the value. That is y22. Y22 value is 3.66 minus, so 1 divided by 3.66 minus J 14.664 into P2 value is minus 0.5 minus J into Q2 value is minus 0.2 divided by V2 conjugate. That value I assumed it as 1 plus J0. So here it will be 1 minus J0. No need to write that. Still for understanding I write it. Y21. What is Y21? That is minus 2 plus J8 minus 2 plus J8 into V1. V1 value was 1.06. 1.06 minus Y23. What was Y23? Y23 is minus 0.666 plus J 2.664 into V3 is 1 plus J0 minus Y24. Y24 is minus 1 plus J4 minus 1 plus J4 into 1 plus J0. So this is the equation we have got, and we have to do it in the calculator. While doing in the calculator, I am taking it, and then what is the value is 0.5. Sorry, the value was minus 0.5. Minus and minus is plus 0.2 I close the bracket, divided by 1 is same, minus, again I am taking my bracket, minus minus 2 plus 8I, closing the bracket, into 1.06, again closing the bracket, minus, again I am opening the bracket, minus 0.666 plus 2.664 I into 1 plus J0, that is okay, minus 1 plus 4I minus 1 plus 4I, and I will get my answer like this. Again I have to divide it with 3.666 minus 14.664 I, and I will get my answer as C. My answer is 1.018. So I can write my answer is equal to 1.011874 minus, then I am taking my value 0.02888 J. Okay, J 0.288. This is the value that will be in per unit value I am getting. So this is V21. But in order to faster the conversions, and hence in the question accelerated value is given, we have to find out the V2 accelerated. So I am writing the accelerated equation as, that is accelerated equation, I should write it as, if I am doing it for if I am doing it for ith bus, then for kth iteration the accelerated value will be equal to Vi of k minus 1, that is previous iteration value, plus alpha into Vi of present value I have got, minus our past iteration value. This is the equation if we have to find out the accelerated value. Here what we are doing here, is equal to 2 and kth value is 1. So I can say V2 of 1 accelerated value is equal to V2 of 0 plus what I have to write it up? Alpha. Alpha is given in the question as 1.6 into V2 of 1 minus V2 of 0. That value will be equal to V2 of 0. We have assumed it as 1 plus J0 plus 1.6 into VI. Okay, that is 1.011874 minus J 0.288. This value minus what it is 1 plus J0 value. So this is the equation, and while solving it we have to get as what is it, that we got our answer, then answer minus 1, we will get one value. We have to multiply it with 1.6. Okay, again we will get an answer plus 1 plus A0 is 1, so we will get it a value as 1.01899. 1.01899. Then I have to find out my value, that is minus J 0.0621. So this is the accelerated value. So after this iteration, what we will do is we will take our new V21 value will be here. So that is equal to V21 value. So we will take our V21 for finding out our next best as this present value. Okay, then shall we move on to find out our value V21, our value for bus 3. So I am going to find out the same for our bus 3. So now what will come now for our bus number, it is 3, that is I is equal to 3, and here also iteration is first iteration. We have to find out P3 and Q3, isn't it? Because the bus is a PQ bus, so we have to find out P3 and Q3. P3 is equal to P3 generated minus P3 load. So P3 generated is 0 minus P3 load. What is third load is 0.4 and 0.3. 0.4 0.4 value, so that is equal to minus 0.4 per unit, and Q3 is equal to Q3 generated minus Q3 load, that is equal to 0 minus 0.3, isn't it? 0 minus 0.3, the value will be minus 0.3 per unit. So we got our P3 value and Q3 value. P3 value is minus 0.4 and Q3 value is the same value. So next we are going on to find out our voltage. To find out a voltage, I have to find out voltage value. So voltage is V3, so we have to find out V3. Then our P3 will be equal to, P3 value was equal to minus 0.4 and Q3 value was equal to minus 0.3. Then V3 initial value, it is not given, so I write it as 1 plus J0. And next we have our V2 iteration 1 value, that was equal to, what was the value of V2, that is 1.018998, and the imaginary part was minus 0. Minus J 0.04621. So this was our V2 first iteration value. So these values we have, and also we have our this best values. This third row will give our best values. So again I am going to calculate my equation. Though I am not writing my general equation, but I am writing simply in the straight away, that is V3 of for first iteration is equal to 1 by Y33 into P3 minus JQ3 divided by V3 conjugate minus sigma n is equal to 1 to I minus 1 is 2 to y in vn, that should be k minus 1 iteration, sorry, that should be kth iteration, so this should be k, I am rewriting it, minus sigma n is equal to I plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 4, so there is no need of writing this y I, here it is 3, so y3n should be there, and here y34 v4, that is iteration value will be equal to 0th iteration. So again I have to rewrite my equation as 1 by y33 into P3 minus JQ3 divided by V3 conjugate. Here so value is 0th value because we don't have the any other value, minus sigma, no, I have been written the sigma y31 v1, that is a reference bus or slack bus, we do not need any iteration value, minus y32 v2, this v2 value should be present iteration value, minus y34 v4, that is our past value or 0th value. Again I am substituting for my 1 by y33. 1 by y33 value is 3.666 plus 3.666 minus j 14.664, that was my y33 value, into p3 is minus 0.4 minus j q3 is minus 0.3 by V3 conjugate. V3 first value it is 1 plus J0, so this will be 1 minus J0 minus Y31. What was Y31 value? That was minus 1 plus J4 into V1. V1 value was 1.06 minus Y32. What was Y32? Y32 was minus 0.66 plus 2.664 into this 32 value. So we have to find out V21. V21 value will be into 1.018998 minus j 0.04621, that is V21 value, minus what is Y34? Y34 was minus 2 plus j8 into V4 value. No value is given, so we will assume it as 1 plus j0. So this is the equation we have to solve for our V31 value. So I am doing it in my calculator, and what I'll get is, I'll check. So that will be minus so I've restarted it, minus 0.4 plus 0.3i, that is the value, plus 0.3i divided by 1 is same, minus minus 1 plus 4i minus 1 plus 4i into 1.06 minus, we can add a bracket if you have a little doubt, like this. Here also I can add a value like this, so it will be inside the bracket, double bracket, minus what I can do, again I am opening this bracket, minus 0.666 plus 2.664 plus 2.664, I close to the bracket, into bracket was 1.018998 minus 0.04621 closing the bracket, and then minus again minus 0.2 plus 8I into 1. So I will get my answer as minus 1 point something, and we can say that answer divided by our admittance, that is 3.66. Sorry, we have to add the bracket here, divided by 3.666 minus 14.664I. So I should get my answer as 0.7. Value is equal to 0.9941448 minus J 0.029263 per unit. That is the V3 first iteration value, and we were given alpha is equal to 1.6. So V3 have to find out the accelerated value. That accelerated value will be V3 of 0 plus alpha into V3 of 1 minus V3 of 0. So this I have to find out, that is V3 of 0 is 1 plus J0 plus 1.6 into present value, that is 0.9941448 minus J 0.029263 minus 1 plus J0. So this value I have to write it out. So our answer we have, then we have to solve it as minus 1. We will get the answer into this minus 1 into 1 point, sorry, it was 1.06, right? It was 1.06, so I have to write it out 1.06. So 1 point, I should take the alpha value, whether it was alpha was, sorry, that was 1.6 only. 1.6 plus 1, I will get the value as 0.99. So my V3 accelerated value, I will get it as 0.99063, and the imaginary part is minus J 0.04682. Okay, this is the accelerated value. This I will take it for the value of V3 1. Similarly, we have to find out the same for our bus 4, so that I is equal to 4 and K is equal to 1. Again I am doing this. So we have to find out for our bus 4. For bus 4 we got our value. We have to find out P3 and Q3. P3 is equal to P3G minus P3L. That value is 0 minus 0.3 is equal to minus 0.3 per unit, and Q3 is equal to Q3G minus Q3L, that is equal to 0 minus 0.1, that is equal to minus 0.1 per unit. So this is the value for P3 Q3. V3 sorry, we are doing it for bus 4. So bus 4, the value was correct. So Q4 it is Q4G minus Q4L, and P4 it is P4G minus P4L, sorry, but the value is same. Next we have to find out I is 4, so V4 of 0 we didn't get the value, or value is not given, so I assume it as 1 plus J0 alpha, it is given as 1.6 in our question. Then we have already our V3 one iteration value as 0.99063 minus K 0.04682 per unit, and V2 first iteration value we have 1.018998 minus K 0.04682 2, 1. If we are rewriting all the parameters like this, there is a rare chance of getting things mistyped or miswritten. So that errors we can be avoided and we can do our problem confidently. So again I am writing my equation. I have to find out P4 of first iteration. So that is 1 by y44 into P4 minus JQ4 divided by V4 conjugate minus sigma n is equal to 1 to I minus 1. So n is equal to 1 to 3 y 4n vn, that all are present iteration or first iteration value and we don't have the other terms. So I am rewriting it as again 1 by y44 is 3 minus j12. 1 divided by 3 minus j12 into P4 is minus 0.3 minus j, it is minus 0.1. So I am again rewriting it as 0.01 divided by 1 minus j0 minus y41, right? So y41 value is 0. So I don't have to write this value. 0 minus y42. y42 is minus 1 plus j4 into y42 v21. What is v21? That is 1.018998 minus j 0.462. We are not approximating it into 3 decimals or 4 decimals because we have to get the correct solution. So I am not using any approximation or I am not rounding off the decimal points. So this is y2, y42, this was y42 and v21 minus y43. What was the value? That is minus 2 plus j8 into v31. v31 is 0.99063 minus 0.04682. So this is the equation I am getting. So I have to calculate it in my calculator. So I am doing my calculation again. So I am switching on it. So I am just using 0, what was it, minus 0.3. okay, so delete minus 0.3 plus 0.1 I minus, using double bracket, minus 1 plus 4I into 1.01898 minus 0.462I. So I am closing my double bracket, minus again double bracket, minus 2 plus j8 8I, closing the bracket, into 0.99063 minus 0.04682. Bracket, I'll get my answer. That answer divided by this 3 minus j12. 3 minus 12I. I got my value as 0.986. So this will be the value. Then we have to find out the accelerated value. It is 0.98636. Value will be minus 0.20678. That will be per unit. So this is V4 for first iteration value. So next what we have to do is we have to find out the accelerated value. In order to find out the accelerated value, again I have to find out V4 1 of accelerated value is equal to, as V4 0, V4 0, then we have plus, right? V4 0, we already have this equation, see here it was plus, so V4